Oh, you're the champ.
I don't know, the two fond girls at the beginning did pretty darn good. Good job, little boy.
Nothing to it, he says. Shovel it down.
Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Are we done?
What do you figure, 20 cc's for milk? For
Yeah.
puppy?
Yeah.
Not after eating this? It would be a good idea to load them up.
You done?
I think we're done.
One more little try. Your little face. I can't see.
Oh, all right. Well, maybe we are going to have some more. Yeah, you got the most of anybody.
You don't want it to go to waste, he said.
Those two fond girls hit it really fast, but he's the most, has the most lasting power here, huh? Come on. Okay, good job. Okay. A couple big bites seems to be about it for each
Yeah.
one.
You try again?
I think we just, it needs to be more gruel from now on. But I like introducing them like this, and I like getting them just watch them use their noses.
I can't turn my camera off because I don't have a clean finger.
What do you think?
Says it's sticky.
I think maybe we need to make it more watery for.
Yeah.
But to introduce them to it, I think this is great. I think more watery is going to be more practical.
Ouch. Little teethy stuff.
Yeah. She was one of the two that wouldn't eat earlier. It smells good, doesn't it? I love it when you can hear them smelling. Why is it easier to lick off the side? You like the side better, don't you? What do you think?
That it?
Is that it? Okay. I think. Ready, set?
Ready, set, go.
Smell. Get a smell. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Yeah, yum, 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 yum. No. Where are you going? Hey. Yeah, there you go. As soon as he calmed down long enough to smell it. Yeah, there we go. Yum, yum, yum. The edges of the plate are more fun than the middle. He's licking it up. Little tongue's going. Yum, yum.
Let me go. Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Dish tastes good.
No, don't stand it.
Here. It's a little bit cold. I might.
Don't pot all off. No. Got it all over your foot. Completely covered. Look at this. Here. Their noses obviously already work. They think this smells pretty good, huh? Just got to figure out what it is that smells good. Here. All right, that's all you want? Come here. 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 Come on. What? What? It's like, yeah, I got that taste on there. That's...
You put in his nostrils.
Yeah, I know, you like it. You just are having trouble figuring out how to get it, aren't you? His eating skills aren't quite up with his Buttermates yet. No, don't tip it over.
It's a hit with him.
Yeah, I'll take
So the
that.
ratio maybe needs to be 1/3 to 2/3.
But right now it's going to be really small volume per puppy, so
Yeah.
that won't be bad. Is that all you're going to do for the second? Yeah, I know. You're wearing it. I'm trying to salvage as much of it as I can. Here, try a little more. What do you think? My fingers? No. What do you think?
Just trying to eat it off the towel.
Right there. No, don't push it upside down. I think we probably ought to stop there. Don't stand in it.
Not so interested.
Not as much as the last one.
Maybe I need to put more of the meat stuff in.
Is that thicker than the last batch, man?
No, she didn't dive into it quite the same way, but she's still thinking it's pretty good stuff. You're not supposed to walk in it, however. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be a real problem getting him to eat solid stuff. Try not to walk in it, however. Can we not walk in it?
I think it's more fun to play with.
Is that all you need for a minute? Let's not inhale it, please. She's actually looking a little skinny compared
You
to.
add a little bit of the more of the meat in.
Hmm?
Add a little bit more of the canned food, canned stuff in.
What do you think?
Jack,
What, in that? Is that what you want me to do? Is put
just a little tiny bit. Use the fork so you can smash it up.
No, it's this way. This way, this way. Let's try not to get all of the bottom here. Don't walk in it, ding dong. I'm gonna rub on it like a dead
No,
thing.
no, no. Jack, just the meat in there.
Oh,
No, I didn't want you more cereal in there. I want to add more meat, a higher ratio
well,
of
it's
meat.
already mashed in there.
Okay, come here, kid. We're gonna kind of need to wipe them off as we put them back because they're unless. I think that's a yes.
I think they can eat real food.
We'll still have to nurse it.
She's still
Well, you know what I mean.
she's wearing it, but she thinks that's pretty good stuff.
I think we're going to be making a bit more.
You're making a terrible mess.
Really didn't take much to figure out what it is.
Jack, why don't you get one of the bigger towels there in the by the bookcase?
Okay.
Between the bookcase and the whelping pin. You just have it all over you, don't you? Are we done? Ugh, ugh. Yep, that's yummy stuff, huh? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Got it on your nose. Should I go try another puppy or?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? They're gonna clean you up nice.